Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by closing Outlook so settings reset cleanly. Open Control Panel and type Mail to find Mail Microsoft Outlook. This is where Profiles live. Once there, click Show Profiles to view existing entries. You can add a new profile now or select an existing one to change. Make sure to note the current profile name before editing, because Outlook uses that identifier for account links. This step locks you into profile-level changes rather than per-account tweaks. Now you edit the chosen profile. Select it and open Properties, then email Accounts to adjust account settings. Add a new account, remove old ones, or change server settings. Once added, test account sign-in and adjust default data file locations so Mail stores correctly. Then return to the Mail dialog and decide profile behavior. Either always use this profile or prompt for profile to choose at startup. These choices control which profile Outlook loads and how users finish by restarting Outlook so the new or modified profile becomes active. Verify sending, receiving, and calendar syncing. If things fail, recreate the profile and import your PSD or allow Outlook to rebuild the OSD from server data. Make sure cached credentials in Windows Credential Manager are cleared when authentication fails. Also check Auto-Discover and server entries for typos. If you still experience errors, try creating a clean Windows user profile to isolate system-level issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.